Welcome to dear friend of me Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and I'll show you how to turn on or turn off wireless power sharing on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here to the battery section. Now just click to the power sharing, and just to turn on the wireless power sharing you should click once on the switcher. Here you'll see the guide. Now just click to the next after one you'll read all the descriptions, and here you can also see again how this look how you should do this, how to share with the power of the device. And if you want to just turn off this feature you should click again on this switcher. Here you got this message that the power sharing is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.